So what is the points you want to be keep in your mind when you are doing the mesh analysis, and all these things we want to discuss right now. So for explaining the mesh analysis, I'm taking a simple example and I'm explaining you. So that the simple example is this. R1, R2, R3, V1, V2. So this is a simple circuit. So which consists of two sources and three elements. So the connections and all these things are already shown in the circuit. So from this circuit, I want to find out what is the current flowing in the R1 and what is the current flowing in the R2, what is the current flowing in the R3. So you know that can we apply KVL, or by applying the KCL also you are finding the currents in the circuit. So this is the mesh analysis is the another way to find out the response of the circuit by applying the KVL. So what is meant by a KVL? Kirchhoff's voltage law. So what is that Kirchhoff's voltage law? Is nothing but you know that. So the algebraic sum of voltage drops in a closed loop or in a mesh is equals to 0. So by applying that mesh analysis, I want to find out what is the currents and what is the response of the circuit. So for that, we want to know, we want to be follow what is the some of the conditions and some of the rules to do the mesh analysis. So what is that mesh analysis is nothing but first one, name the elements, name the elements and name the circuit. Name the elements and name the circuit. So in some of the problems, they are not given R1, R2, R3, V1, V2. They are given directly 15 volts, 20 volts, 15 amperes, 10 amperes, like that they are given. So for that, we want to be write the equations. It is very familiar to write the equations in a R1, R2, and R3 and V1, V2. So first name the elements and then name the circuit. So what is the naming of the circuit? Suppose they are asking find the branch currents. So you want to be tell how many branches are there and what is the currents are there. So you know that what is the branch is nothing but the branch is nothing but it is a part and it is the which are it is a part which is connecting in between the two principal nodes or one principal node and reference node. So for this circuit you are having only one principal node and one reference node. So we are having three branches. This is the one branch. This is connecting R1 and V1 is connected to the first principal node and the reference node, and R2 and V2 are connected to the first principal node and the reference node, and R3 is connected in between the principal node and the reference node. So these are three branches. So you want to be say the names. So how many branches are there? You want to be say the names in your solution. So I'm taking that A, B, C at each and every node, at each and every connection, you want to be identify that A, B, C, D. So this we are taken one branch, yeah, B, A, D, B, C, D, B, D. So this is the branches. So reference node one and remaining nodes we want to be take the names. So this is the so first name the elements and name the circuit. Then depending upon the depends upon problem depends upon problem identify number of branches, identify number of branches. So next identify number of branches, then you want to apply the KVL, then apply KVL. So what are the process you know? So what is the process for applying the KVL you know? So first what you want to be do? You want to be do first thing, identify the number of meshes. Identify the number of meshes. So how many number of meshes are there? So for this problem, how many number of meshes are there, ma? 2. So what is that meshes? So this is the one mesh and this is the another mesh. So this is the first mesh and this is the another mesh. So next what you want to be do? So next identify the number of meshes and then assume the current directions in clockwise. Assume the current directions in clockwise. Then name the currents. Then name the currents. What you want to be do? Then name the currents. So how many meshes are there? That many currents we can assume. So this is the I1 and this is the I2. Am I clear up to now? You know all these things already. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And then what you want to be do, ma? Then after apply the signs for the elements. Signs for the elements depends upon assumed current directions. Assumed current directions. Assumed current directions. So what you are knowing that for the element you want to be assigned the positive sign and negative sign. For that element it will be depends upon the current direction. So the current entering entering point of the element is the positive node and current leaving point of that element is the negative node. So for the R1 we are assuming that the current will be goes in this way. The current is flowing in this way. So what is the current entering? It is the current entering one. So this sign will be a positive sign and this sign will be a negative sign, and current entering here, this is the positive and this is the negative, and this signs is already indicated. And next step, entering positive, negative, this is already there, and this is positive and this is negative. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then what? Then after that, what you want to be do, ma'am? Then afterwards you want to be write that what thing you want to be do? Then afterwards you want to be write the mesh equations. Write mesh equations by applying KVL. By applying what? KVL. By applying KVL. Okay. So what is the equations? You know. Again, I don't want to be tell that. So for this mesh, how many elements are there? How many sources are there? So for the first mesh, it is having a two elements and one source is there. So the drop of the R1 is the VR1 and drop of the R3 is VR3 and source is V1. So you want to be write up VR1 and VR3 and V1 equal to 0. So for that you want to be take plus sign or minus sign. So what is the plus sign and what is the minus sign? So it is, if you are assumed direction you are going from plus to minus means the drop is negative. So if you are going from minus to plus means that is positive. So here the assumed direction is like this. So you are going from plus to minus, then it is minus VR1 or plus VR1?
Minus.
Minus VR1. For R3 also it is minus. And for V1 you are going from minus to plus. So it is plus V1 equal to 0. So we want to be write that voltage drops in terms of the currents and resistance. So what is the minus VR1? Minus VR1 is nothing but what is the current flowing in that R1 and what is the resistance of R1. You want to be take the two values and you want to be do the product of these two values. We are getting that VR1. So what is the current in the R1?
I1, sir.
I1. Very good, ma'am. So minus I1 R1 minus. So what about the current in R3?
I1 minus I2.
Very good. Why? Because it is the combination element. I1 minus I2 into R3 plus V1 equal to 0. So take minus I1 as common. You are getting that R1 plus R3 plus I2 R3 plus V1 equal to 0. Similarly, you want to be write the equations for the second mesh. So that is minus VR2 minus V2 and minus VR3 equal to 0. So next VR2 plus V2 plus VR3 equal to 0 by taking minus as common. Then it is I2R2 plus I2 minus I1R3 plus V2 equal to 0. Then you are getting two equations in terms of the I1 and I2. So I1 and I2. So solve equations, you get I1 and I2. Solve the equations, you are getting that I1 and I2. So then what happened? So he is asking what is the branch currents. So ABD current, ABD, not ABD, it is, you don't want to be right ABD. ఇలా రాయొద్దండి ABD అని రాయొద్దు ఈ వేలో కదా. సో DAB ఇలా కదా, లేకపోతే ఇలా ఫ్లో అవుతుందా చూసుకొని DAB అని రాయండి. మనం ఇలానే అనుకున్నాం కదా, కరెంట్ డైరెక్షన్ యూ వాంట్ బి టేక్ దిస్ వే. సో దిస్ వే అంటే DAB. సో నీకు I1 పాజిటివ్ వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, యు ఆర్ గెటింగ్ ద I1 పాజిటివ్. సో కరెంట్ విల్ బి ఫ్లోస్ ఇన్ దిస్ డైరెక్షన్ ఓన్లీ. సో DAB కరెంట్ I1 ఈక్వల్ టు హౌ మచ్, ఎంత వచ్చిందంట. దెన్ కరెంట్ ఈ డైరెక్షన్ అనుకున్నాం కదా, ఇది కూడా ఈ డైరెక్ట్ పాజిటివ్ వాల్యూ I2 కూడా పాజిటివ్ వచ్చింది అనుకోండి. దెన్ BCD I2 equal to how much? And BD. So BD is I1 minus I2 or I2 minus I1. So if it is I1 minus I2 means you want to be right BD, or otherwise I2 minus I1 means you want to be right reverse. So that is I1 minus I2 or I2 minus I1. That will depends upon the I1 and I2 values. So if I1 is greater, you want to be right I1 minus I2. If I2 is greater, you want to be right I2 minus I1. So this is the way you want to be do. Suppose he is asking what is the power dissipation in each and every resistor or some resistor. Then power dissipation in the R1 resistor is what is the current square into R1, and what is the power dissipation in the R2 is I2 square into R2, and what is the power dissipation in R3 is I1 minus I2 whole square into R3 or I2 minus I1 whole square into R3. So that will depends upon what is the current flowing in that element. So this is the methodology you want to be do to solve the mesh analysis. Am I clear up to now?
Yes, sir.
Still any doubts? Once go through it, if you are having any doubts, please let me know now. Let me go. Shall I go to the problems now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So can you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
So this is an important problem in the mesh analysis by using Kirchhoff's voltage law. So this is an important problem by using mesh analysis. Okay. So calculate the current in the 50 ohms resistor in the network shown in the figure 1 by using mesh analysis. All of you note that problem, ma. ఈ ప్రాబ్లం నోట్ చేసుకోండి. ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ నోట్ దిస్ ప్రాబ్లం. All of noted this problem, huh? Shall I stop sharing and shall I do the problem on the paper?
1 minute, sir.
Okay, ma. Do it. Make it fast. Make it fast, ma. For the aeronautical people, they are completed mesh analysis and they are also completed the problems and superposition theorem also. For you, I'm not getting the classes. So when you are having the tutorial classes, ma, when you are having the lab session and when you are having the tutorial classes,
Sir, we have lab session at Saturday, sir.
Saturday and tutorial classes, ma.
Sir, tutorial class leave, sir.
Why you are having? I'm seeing that in your timetable some tutorial classes are there.
Only 1 hour, sir.
When it is
Thursday, sir.
Thursday. Thursday on what time?
3 to 4, sir.
3 to 4. Okay, right. So maximum I will try to take on Thursday and Saturday 2 hours. For the lab, generally you are taking the single hour. So in order to complete the syllabus, I will take the lab hour and tutorial class also I will take. Then we will complete our syllabus. Completed, ma? Shall I go through the problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So this problem is given and he is asking the current flowing in the 50 ohms resistor. This current you want to be find out. So for that you want to use the mesh analysis. So first identify the elements and the what elements and the circuit naming. I'm going with, so this is the R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6. Am I right? So then I'm going with naming of the circuit. A, B, C, and this is D. Am I right? Still any other there? అంతేనా ఇంకేమన్నా ఉన్నాయా చూడండి. A, B, C, D. So why I'm not taken here? This potential and this potential will be the same. A and this point will be the same potential is there. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? Any difference is there up to these points? No. And okay, na? So this is the thing you want to be going with this. So first you want to be identify the number of elements. You are identifying and this is V1, V2, V3. So V1, V2, V3. So this is the mesh identification of circuit are completed, and elements are completed. Next, you want to identify how many number of meshes. How many number of meshes are here?
3, sir.
So what are that? This is the first mesh, and this is the second mesh, and this is the third mesh. So this current is I1 and I2 and I3. So write the mesh equations. So first mesh equation. And this is the important problem. This is given in 2 or 3 times in the examinations. Make it as important problem. Okay. So first mesh equation. So how many elements are there in the first mesh? R1, R4, V3, V1, R5. Am I right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements are there in the first mesh. Yes or no? So then if you want to be write the mesh equations, you want to be take the signs. So this is the plus and this is the minus, plus minus, plus minus is also there, minus plus is also there, and this is plus minus. And for this also plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus. Am I right? Antena? Is it right? Is it right only? What I am assuming sign directions, is it right only?
Yes, sir.
Then write the first mesh equation. So how many elements are there? VR1, next VR4, V3, V1, VR5 equal to 0. So what is VR1? What is VR1? It is coming from plus to minus. So it is minus sign. And next VR4, it is coming from plus to minus. It is minus sign. And V3, it is also coming from plus to minus. Minus V3. It is from V1. So see V1, your direction is like this. Means you are coming from minus to plus. Then it is plus V1. So it is minus VR5. So what is the VR1? VR1. What is the VR1? R1 into what is the current of R1? So what is the current of R1, ma? What is the current of R1? It is the individual element or combination element?
Individual, sir.
See properly, see. What about R1? It is the individual element or combination element? Combination element of the first mesh and the third mesh. Properly observe it. See here, R5 is the individual element for the first mesh. R1 is connected in between first mesh and the third mesh, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So what is the current in the R1?
Minus I3.
No, combination element means you want to be take the resultant current of that two meshes. Am I right? Antena kada? Is it
Yes.
right only? So you want to be take the, it is a combination element. You want to be take the resultant current of the two meshes. In which two meshes it is the combination element. That resultant current you want to be take. So what is the resultant current? I1 minus I3 or I3 minus I1?
I1 minus I3, sir.
So which for the which mesh you are writing, that current you want to be assume it is a higher when compared with other. So that is minus I1 minus I3 into R1. Next minus VR4 ante, that is I1 minus I2 into R4 minus V3 plus V1 minus I1 R1 equal to 0. So take I1 as common. The each and every you are having a minus. So minus I1 I am taking a common. It is R1 plus R4 I1 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 plus R1. Next take up I2. So minus into minus plus I2 R4 I3. Any I3 element, this is the I3 So minus into minus plus I3 R1 minus V3 plus V1 equal to 0. Then substitute the values. So minus I1, what is the R1 value? 30, 30 plus 50, 80, 80 plus 60, 140 plus R4 value is 50. So 50 I2 plus R1 is 30 I3 minus V3 is minus 20 plus 100 equal to 0. So minus 140 I1 plus 50 I2 plus 30 I3 plus 80 equal to 0. So take minus as common. 140 I1 minus 50 I2 minus 30 I3 minus 80 equal to 0. That is 140 I1 minus 50 I2 minus 30 I3 equal to 80. Equation number 1. So going to the second mesh. So in the second mesh, how many elements are there in the second mesh? What are the elements are present in the second mesh? Tell me. Tell me, ma, what are the elements are there in the second mesh?
R2,
R2, R3, R4.
R2,
V2.
R3, R4. Sources are V2 and V3 is also for the second mesh only, na?
Sir.
It is a combination of element of second and first mesh.
V2, V3,
So,
sir.
V2, V3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements are there again. So I'm coming with R2. So VR2, VR3, V2, V3, VR4 equal to 0. So VR2 sign, they are coming from plus to minus. So it is minus. VR3 also minus. V2 you are going from C here. V2 E direction lo మన current direction. So you are going from minus to plus.
Minus to plus,
So it
yes,
is
sir.
plus V2. Next for V3 also you are going from minus to plus. So again it is plus and VR4 is minus. So right, what is the VR2? So VR2 means I minus of I2 minus I1 into R2 minus of VR3. VR3 is individual element of I2 R3 plus V2 plus V3 minus, sorry,
Sir,
for
two
VR2
minus
it is not
six,
I2 minus I1, it is
sir.
I2 minus I3, sorry, I2 minus I3. So next V3 is okay, and then it is I2 minus I1 R4 equal to 0. So then substitute the values. So take a I1 into I2, I3 are taken that in that way. So minus into minus plus I1. So I1 R4. Next, all the I2s as having minus. So minus I2 as common. R2 plus R3 plus R4. Next I3 minus into minus plus I3 R2. I3 has also completed plus V2 plus V3 equal to 0. Then substitute the values. What is the R4 value? It is 50. So 50 I1. Next R2 40 plus 10 50. 50 plus 50 100 minus 100 I2 plus R2 value 40. So 40 I3 50 plus 70 equal to 0. So 50 I1 minus 100 I2 plus 40 I3 equal to minus 70. Take it as equation number 2. And next write the equation for the third mesh. So what is the third mesh? It is having how many elements in the third mesh? Any sources are there?
No, sir.
How many elements are there?
Three, sir.
Only 3.
Elements, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that is VR6, VR2, VR1. Third mesh. VR2, VR1, VR6 equal to 0. So what is VR2 sign? So first VR6 sign you are having. So you are going from plus to minus. So it is minus. Next VR2 also you are going from plus to minus. Minus. All are minus only. Then VR2 is I3 minus I2 into R2. VR1 is I3 minus I1 into R1. VR6 is I3 R6 equal to 0. So first I1. So this is minus into minus plus. I1 R1. Next I2. So minus into minus plus. I2 R2 minus into all my I3s are having minus. So R2 plus R1 plus R6 equal to 0. So what is the R1 value? It is 30. So 30 I1 plus R2 value is 40. 40 I2 and minus R2. 40, 30 I2 minus I equal to 0. Solve first and second equations. Solve it. All of you solve these three equations and tell me I1 and I2 and I3. Tell me what is I1 and I2 and I3. Tell me I1, I2, I3 values fast. These are the equations. Anybody got the answer? Hello? Tell me what is the I1 and I2 and I3 values? Do the calculation and tell me first. 301. 301.
Sir,
Yes,
voice
sir.
cut again, sir.
301.
Yes, sir.
301. I1, I2, I3 values.
Sir, doing.
Okay, do it fast and tell me.
Sir, video blur on, sir.
Sir, paper is blurred, sir.
Blur on, sir, video.
నాకు ఇక్కడ కరెక్ట్ గానే కనిపిస్తుంది నాన్న.
నెట్వర్క్ ఇష్యూస్ మీ రెడ్
Red
వస్తుంది
just,
సార్
sir,
సిగ్నల్.
red.
మళ్ళీ ఒక్క నిమిషం ఆగండి అయితే. ఇప్పుడు now it is okay.
Sir, black on, sir.
వీడియోనే
Black.
కనబడుతుంది సార్, బ్లాక్ వస్తుంది సార్.
అవునా, ఇంతకు ముందు నుంచి కూడా అట్లానే ఉందా క్లాస్ చెప్పేటప్పుడు ఇప్పుడైనా?
ఇప్పుడే సార్.
ఇప్పుడు
Blur ఉంది
కనపడుతుంది
సార్.
కానీ సార్ బ్లర్ ఉంది సార్ మొత్తం.
పేపర్ బ్లర్ ఉంది సార్.
ఒక్క నిమిషం అన్న వెయిట్, ఇక్కడ మరి దీంతో ఇది ప్రాబ్లం. మేము పీపీటీ చెప్పడం కుదరదు, ఇలా రాసి చెప్తే ఏమవుతుంది?
సార్ వాయిస్
ఇప్పుడు
కూడా కట్ అవుతుంది సార్.
ఇప్పుడు చూడండి. Now it
Blur
is also
sir.
blur.
Yes,
ఫుల్
sir.
బ్లర్. ఎస్ సార్.
Now, so all of you note the equations first. I'll tell the equations.
ట్యాప్ చేయండి సార్ ఫోన్ మీద. స్క్రీన్ మీద ట్యాప్ చేయండి సార్ ఒకసారి.
ఇప్పుడు
బ్లర్
సార్ అదర్వైజ్ యూ టెల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ సార్.
I'm saying that only. So first I'll tell the equations. 140 I1 minus 50 I2, 140 I1 minus 50 I2 minus 30 I3 minus 30 I3 equal to 80. 30 I3 equal to 80. 140 I1 minus 50 I2 minus 30 I3 equal to 80. Okay. Second equation, 50 I1 minus 100 I2 plus 40 I3 equal to minus 70. 50 I1 minus 100 I2, 40 I3 equal to minus 70. And third equation, 30 I1 plus 40 I2 minus 90 I3 equal to 0. 30 I1 plus 40 I2 minus 90 I3 equal to 0. So the equations. Then solve and tell me.
సార్ థర్డ్ ఈక్వేషన్ వన్ సెకండ్ రిపీట్ సార్.
Okay, ma. So 30 I1 plus 2 minus 90 I3 equal to 0. 30 I1 plus 40 I2 minus 90 I3 equal to 0. Solve the equations and tell me fast. The current values. Tell me I2 and I3 values. It means in examinations you want to be more practice to solve the equations. So I1 you want to be at 64, 2.114 and I3 1.491. At least you want to get. So you want to be what is asking, he is asking a current in the 50 ohms. So 2 minus I1 minus I2. So I1 check check. It is I2 is higher when comparing with that. So write that I2 minus I1 equal to 0.6. I2 is equal to 0.472. So these are the results we want to be getting. By using that, you are taking this much of time means you want to be more practice. Calculator lo solve in calculator. All the members are known na, already completed in your mathematics. Mathematics M1 equation solution. Hello, I have my line.
Yes, sir. వచ్చినాయి
This is
sir.
audible. So
Yes,
you
sir.
know all the equation next the problem. The second
Sir,
problem is given like this.
sir, voice is breaking. Sir.
Now it is clear. The voice is clear now.
No, sir.
Issues are there. My signal also is 4G signal is coming here. Signal level is also good. By
So your voice is not. Voice is not clear, sir.
you are that I'm not listening to seeing me signal and 4G is coming, ma. Not 4G. 4G is coming and signal level is also good. What is happening? I'm not getting. So are you able to see my screen? So this is the second. So all of you try to write mesh equations. I will keep a message. I will keep a message. You are able to see and getting the message. Write the equations for them. This problem. Write the mesh problem. First questions.
Sir, problem అయితే you can no problem, sir.
Oh,
Sir,
okay, sir. Oh, okay, sir.
అదే కనిపించడం లేదు. No problem. They can leave, sir. No issues, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, ఇవాళ మెకానికల్ వాళ్ళకి బీ ట్రిప్లీ ఉంది కదా సార్ ల్యాబ్
అవును
1
సార్.
అవర్ తీసుకుంటారా? టు టేక్ 1 అవర్ కదా?
తీసుకుంటాను సార్.
ఓకే సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. యూ కెన్ లీవ్ సార్.
Okay.
ఓకే సార్. I'll claim a host, sir. 1 second.
Okay.
Yeah. May everyone
Thank
take
you,
a break
sir.
after 15 minutes. Be online. Some roll numbers they are coming, they are leaving, and they are rejoining number of times. CDH ఏమైంది ఇవాళ మీకు? కొంతమంది అయితే వస్తున్నారు పోతున్నారు. దిమాగాన ఖరాబ్ అయిందా మీకు ఎట్లా? If it is so, I'll remove the number permanently. వెళ్ళిపోండి క్లాస్ నుంచి. 33 roll number. Vamshi Krishna. Can't you rename your roll number? Rename చేసుకో ఫస్ట్. If not, I'm removing within second now. నువ్వు కాలేజ్కి వచ్చి మాట్లాడుతావు. నీకు నువ్వు రా కాలేజ్కి ఎక్కడ పోతావు? ఇంట్లో కూర్చొని మస్తు ఆడుతావు డ్రామాలు. రా కాలేజ్కి రాను. ఇట్లా పాసిబుల్ చూస్తాయి సరే. 33 number. Yeah, be online. Take a break. 12 o'clock ఏ క్లాస్ ఉందమ్మా మీకు? M2
Sir, HP, sir.
ఏమా మేడం వస్తుందో రాదు అడుగుతా. వస్తుందిలే. వస్తుంది బాగా వస్తుంది. M2 ఇంగ్లీష్ క్లాస్. HTP క్లాస్. ఓకే. Be online. My HPP madam will take the class. I texted her. She's ready. She's fine even. You be ready now. Take a break. ఎట్లా
Okay,
బ్రేక్ ఉన్నారు కదమ్మా బ్రేకులు. People are taking number of breaks. People are logging and they are doing. They are going to washrooms. They are eating. They are sleeping. And rest of all are time passing. కొంతమంది ఆటోలు తిరుగుతుంటారు, కొంతమంది టైం పాస్ చేస్తారు. చేయండి అమ్మా, ఇంకొక ఈ మంత్ ఒకటేలే, నెక్స్ట్ మంత్ మొత్తము ఐల్ షో యూ, డోంట్ వరీ.